Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be using the brushing wheel, and we're going to kind of clean off some of the surface rust before we prime it. We already did the other top side of it. Most important is you got to have a mask. You don't want to breathe the rusted dust in. So that, eye protection, hand protection. And then I'm using my DeWalt drill with I got another attachment too for the smaller spots. But alright, here we go. Alright guys, I got a smaller wheel. See if this will work in here. Not better. Alright guys, give me a few minutes and we're going to rag this so we get all the rust off so we can start actively priming it. So alright, more to come. Give me a few minutes. Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to start priming. So what we're using is, again, we're using the Rust-Oleum. Hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. I got some cans that are left over and I got some new ones. Just going to do the underside of it. Alright guys, we're back. I got another can. Let's just start hitting. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a quits for a little bit here. I'm gonna let this dry, and there's a lot of spots that I missed, but it just we'll get to it. I got one can left. I did most of the top of it, but I want to get a couple more spots, flip it back over, and get the other portion of it as well. Right now we're gonna continue working on the trailer. I primed it, prepped it all. Now we're gonna paint it. We're gonna make it black. This is the paint I'm using, the Rust-Oleum. And not a painting expert, but just go through and cover it. Can't mess this up. It's gonna be a a yard trailer, but it's good practice for the future in case I ever wanted to try to get into painting other stuff. But here we go. All right, guys, this can is dead. We'll have a second can. Probably gonna need a third can, but all right. Let's just keep going on this so we can flip it. And there's a lot of spots I gotta touch up. This is just a first coat. All right, guys, I think that's it for right now. I got about a half a can left. I know there's some other spots. I want to let it dry, and then we'll hit it, and then we're going to flip it over and hit the top of it. We're going to continue working on the trailer. We painted the whole underside. Now we're going to do the top side, and then we got to do some touch-ups. I'm sure that's going to come. So again, I'm using the Rust-Oleum black. I used the gray primer. See how good this stuff is. I've never used it before, but seems to be pretty decent. All right, here we go. know I'm doing a lot of touch up, but just trying to. Must have hit that. All right, guys, that's about it. I mean, quick coat. We'll let it dry and cure, and then we'll see if we need to put another coat on it or not. Maybe a couple spots to touch up. But that's it for right now. I mean, again, painting it ourselves. These are like $9 a can. I think I used 3. This is my 3rd can. You know, you can't beat it for 30 bucks. Total of 60 bucks because you figure primer. Can't beat that. 60 bucks to have a basic brand new trailer. So definitely save yourself some money if you get something. Like I said, I got this for free. And all I got into it so far is 60 bucks. But all right, well, check back for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe, helps me bring more videos to you. If there's something that you guys want to see, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I could do better. Clearly, I'm not a metal fabricator or a painter, but if you guys got ideas, something to help me out, or you want to see a project that you want done, let me know. Drop me a comment. But till next time, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. See ya.